Peas grow best in the cooler weather of spring or fall, at daytime temperatures of around 60 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. If you're planting in the spring, plant peas as soon as the soil can be worked, or about 4 to 6 weeks before your last spring frost date. If planting in the fall, plant about 6 to 8 weeks before your first fall frost date. Plant pea seeds 1 to 2 inches deep in rows 18 inches apart. If you're planting taller vining types, be sure to provide peas with a support, such as a fence, and increase row spacing to 4 feet. Inoculation with rhizobia bacteria during planting may prove beneficial as it can increase germination, promote stronger root systems, and potentially increase yield. If using a granulated inoculant, simply sprinkle alongside the planting trench when planting. Provide peas with plentiful, consistent moisture throughout the growing season. Avoid watering while your pea plants are blooming, as this can interfere with pollination. Peas will be ready to harvest about 50 to 75 days from planting. Sugar snap peas are ready when pods begin to plump up, but peas inside are still small. Snow peas are ready when pods have fully developed, but before peas inside have begun to form or are still tiny. Shell peas are ready when the peas inside have filled out fully but are still tender. Shell peas will become starchy and eating quality deteriorates if not picked promptly.